congratulations on completing boot camp. It's really important that when you look at your ego, and I always keep telling you, keep your ego down, you've really made it quite an accomplishment. So give yourself a lot of credit. You are on the right path already just by completing boot camp. Let's remember the 3 pillars. This is important. Never forget the 3 pillars. First of all is your personality. We all have shortcomings. 100 out of 100 entrepreneurs have shortcomings. We got to strengthen them. We got to work on them, identify them, being honest with ourselves. Pillar number 2, your idea. The reason you started the business, your idea. Is it the right niche? Is the right reason to start the business? Do you have your plan? You got your capital? We talked about all these things. Go back to all those segments, review them, make sure you're solid on all that. And third, your ability to execute. You looked at the top 100 skills that you needed. You need to implement your plan. Continuous training. This is the one that's really, it's not the most important, but as you start your business, after you decide to start your business, it's all about executing after that and keeping your niche fresh. And you constantly have to learn. Don't ever think you know everything. You learn from boot camp, you learn from reading books, you learn from mentors. Constantly educate yourself. You constantly get better. If you constantly get better, your business has a better chance to flourish. Those who think we know it all are one part of the 80%. Then there's always the variable 4th pillar, which is your partner. Remember, your partner affects the other 3 pillars as well. Do you really need one? Is your partner for the right reason? Is it just a comforting thing, or is that partner going to be able to complement you? Remember, 1 + 1 must equal 3. The only reason to have a partner is if something you can't accomplish yourselves. So think about that. We're here to help. This is why we started boot camp. We had this idea and we put it together months and months and months ago and talked to all these other entrepreneurs. We are seriously here to help make you successful. That's what we want to be. We want to be part of something. When you are 5 or 10 years or 20 years into it, you say, man, I took this boot camp, it was great. That's why we're here. We're not here to sell you a franchise. We don't want to sell you anything on flipping houses. We're here to help the entrepreneur. Really get involved, really give good solid advice and share experiences that have hurt some of us and have helped some of us. So please share your thoughts and ideas to boot camp. How can we add more value? Are you working on something that we didn't talk about? If that's true, send us those topics. We will get content, we will put it together, and we will respond to you. We're not here to take your 99 bucks and go away for the rest of your lives. We want to be part of your journey. And it's a long, windy, twisty journey that you're going to be in. We want to be part of it. We care about what's going on. Connect with us on social media. Tell us what's going on with you. Tell us where you're going or what you're thinking of doing or the progress you've made or some of your successes, some milestones you've hit. Feel free to email questions or topics to us. If something comes up and we don't have content, we'll get a hold of industry experts and we'll get you the right answer. That's why we're here. We want to be a tool. We want to be a source for you. You can subscribe for updates. We'll sit there, we'll send you articles, we'll give you tips and tricks. We're going to have videos from experts. We're going to have a members forum. We have trusted partners and vendors, so we'll have people you can go to and ask questions to. And we have a document library where we're going to do podcasts from industry experts. We'll have 1 or 2 every single month. We're going to have industry experts talking about the hot topics of the day, whether it's EPA or health insurance, all these other things that affect entrepreneurs, banks and interest rates. I mean, there's so many things that affect your business, so there's so much content, it'll never get old, we promise you. We'll have strategies for success. What people have done, we'll show success stories. We're also going to show stories of failure. Remember, boot camp is not here to sit there and fluff you up. We're here to give you real life experience and experience that you can take to make your business successful. You're successful if you listen to us, and if you decide not to open a business because you're not ready yet and you wait a few months or a few years, or if you decide to go forward and we're part of the journey. Either way, we're successful. We're going to have networking events. We're going to have people getting together. You can talk to peers, non-competing entrepreneurs and get ideas from each other and pool ideas. I mean, it's very, very valuable to talk to people that are in the same boat as you are. Again, we want to thank you for the business. We welcome you to Entrepreneur Org family. That's how we consider it. All of us entrepreneurs are in it together. We just are, right? We just are. Every time I go to a restaurant, I try to go to a small restaurant. I try to support my local entrepreneurs. I bought a bike for my kids. I went to the local bike shop. We're always trying to support each other. That's what it is. It's a family. It's something that you can't explain unless you get into it. So we wish you the best wishes for success. Remember, boot camp was here to help. That was our intent, not to scare, not to say this is miserable. It could be a wonderful life. We want to make sure we're part of that. We're here to help you. So we hope to hear from you soon. Please stay in contact with us. We truly and honestly want to hear from you. We want to hear about your successes or your failures, because we can all learn from failures. Even the folks that haven't made success instantly, if we learn, hey, what happened? What could we have done different? Education always costs money. So we never want to really give up. We want to make sure that we're educated when we make mistakes. Thank you again for being part of our family.